What is up, you guys? How's it going? Welcome to the Pullback Effects channel. As you guys may be aware, I did not make a weekly review for this week, right? Unfortunately, last week was when I had passed my Forex Funds challenge, and that is exactly when we stopped making the weekly analysis videos, right? I mentioned that if our last video would have gotten 10 likes and 5 comments, I would have continued on doing these weekly commentaries. But unfortunately, we did not reach our target. So I'm not going to be doing the weekly reviews, but I will still continue on showing you guys the progress of this live account until I make my first withdrawal on this account. And I will also give you guys insights as to what my levels community are receiving as an analysis, right? So let's go ahead and go into the charts right now. As you guys can see, if we open our daily box, right, which divides our days here on the charts, we could see that this week we had opened around this area in here. Okay. And I've been calling out, I'm not sure if I called it out on the weekly reviews on the previous videos. I'm pretty sure I did though. Most certainly I did. I've been calling out the 108.50 level, right, as a downside objective. I know I obviously been calling this daily swing low here as an objective, as you can see. Yep, that daily swing low I've been calling as an objective for the downside, which we reached that last week. And I believe you guys are gonna go ahead and need to go back to the videos to see if I actually called this level, but I believe I did call it. Okay. Um, but then again, I'd have to go back to the levels that I've actually posted on YouTube to see if that's actually a level that I called in YouTube. I know for sure I called it on my levels community, but I'm not 100% sure if I actually called it on the YouTube channel, but I'm almost 95% sure that I did. Okay. But, anyways, as you guys can see, we traded to that level this week on Sunday's opening. We opened up here on Sunday, first hour of trading, second hour trading, and then third hour of trading. We actually came all the way to the 108.50 level that I've been calling out since a long time, since we were like up in somewhere above there. But anyways, we finally hit that level, and now I was expecting a retracement up to these equal highs in here. And I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick on my levels community. As you guys can see, yesterday, okay, that's the level that I called. I mentioned that we hit the 108.50 level, has just hit, which is a level that I've been letting them know for quite a while that we've been looking for that level. After hitting our 111,290 level, called out for a retracement on Thursday. And let me go to Thursday. See, that's where I called the level at first for Thursday for a retracement up into this level here, which is this one here. You guys could see how we actually retrace right to the pip, hit it once, drop down, and then hit it one more time around New York session on Thursday, and then drastically came all the way down. Or sorry, not Thursday, but on Friday, and then drastically came all the way down, which is this price action here. Hit that level, went all the way down, right? 11,290 level, which you guys can see right there. That this is 11,290 level. Okay, so yeah, I mentioned right here that our level had gotten rejected. That's when we hit it once, came down, rejected, and then we came back up and hit it again. I actually bought this on Friday. You guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you actually could see that I posted on my stories that I bought this on Friday. And if not, I'll show you guys right now on the live account once I share my phone screen on here for you guys. But I actually bought this and can't remember if I sold it. I don't think I did though. I'll have to check. So yeah, our level has reached and rejected. And then on yesterday, I mentioned that our level had finally hit our 10,850 level after hitting our 11,290 level that I called as retracement. And there you guys have it. Okay, so then what I called out yesterday on the weekly review for the levels community, right? We, as you guys can see, we were trading around this area in here, right? With this down candles open, or when that candle was trading. Okay, and I called out, well, I told my community that I hope they had benefit from the levels that have been called. I did mention, since it is NFP, that I would mostly stay neutral since we are in an NFP week, but I'll be watching to see if we get another test at our 11,290 level from where we are. Not engaging though, just an insight. And further, I actually did engage today on New York session, and I posted my stories on Instagram as well with about, I think I made about like $417 profit. And once again, I'll see if I can show you guys that after this review here. And yeah, you guys could see that that's when I started calling the 11,290 level from this area in here. And ever since, we started trading all the way up like a magnet up to our 11,290 level, making the high for that day. As you guys can see, made the high for the day there. And then we just opened up here for Tuesday's trading. Okay. And yeah, and I just well, yeah, I sent a link for the levels community for us to trade live, our live session. And then here is the chart that you're actually just seeing right now, just to let them know that that's where I called the level, and that's when it hit. And I haven't given them any more insights after that. I'll probably give them a review or insight after this video, or possibly later tomorrow morning for New York session. But yeah, that is the review that I had. And for those that are new to this channel, go ahead and check out the playlist that you're on with the How I Pass My Forex Funds channel. If you guys could check all of those videos from start to finish, you guys will see how pinpoint my analysis has been. And that way you guys could gain trust, in joining our occasional live sessions, because I might do some occasional live sessions if I start getting some love for this channel, right? If I get 10 likes on this video and 5 comments, whether you guys telling me, what would you like more? Would you guys like more weekly analysis reviews, as I was doing before, calling out levels to trade off of? Or would you guys rather have live trading sessions? Let me know that on the comment section. Whoever has the most comments, whichever topic has the most comments, is the one that I'll be choosing. And obviously, if we have 10 likes on this video before next week, or before I post another video on Sunday or Monday next week, then I'll start doing whatever you guys suggest that you guys want for me to do for you guys. Okay. So with that said, let's go ahead and get my iPhone connected to my laptop. That way I could share to you guys the live account, right? And there you go. You guys should be able to see my password now, obviously. But anyways, here's the live account. As you guys can see, it's my funded live account. Now I got 2 of them. But yeah, we got the live funded live account. This is the most recent one I've had. Hey, sorry, my dogs are being disrupted, but this is the most recent live account that I've gotten, which is the one that I was showing the progress of it live on YouTube. And as you guys can see, we're already 2,154 bucks up, right? 2% up on our second day. We made about $1,700 in profits on Friday, which was the day I received my live account. And I made about $400 in profits yesterday, or this morning, for Monday's trading New York session. And yeah, so if I go to let's see, guess I'm gonna have to do one back. Okay, there we go. That's today's, as you guys can see. Buying, had some losses as well, but mostly focusing on the buys. And then let's see if I'm able to show you guys on Friday's trading. So I'm gonna have to do that. And to 30th of September. And there you go. That's Friday's trading. Initially buying, right? Like I mentioned, I initially bought this push up, and then I went ahead and started looking for sells in this push down. And then lastly, I went ahead and bought some more again with this push up, aiming for the 11,290 level to hit, which was it was a Instagram story that you guys actually saw. I don't think I have them on my stories anymore, but I had a take profit there, and that's what it hit when I posted my Instagram story. And then after I overall reversed and tanked down for the daily swing low, and then towards our 10,850 level, which all this move I just decided not to participate in because I already had some good profits in. I had about $1,700 of profits. So I decided to just not trade it anymore as my TP hit on this wick. My TP was actually 11,290 was my TP. And let me actually, here, I'll try to see if I could go to Instagram to show you guys that actual trade. Because I should be able to show you guys on my stories. And yeah, here it is. So if I take you guys to my Instagram stories. Okay, just saved them here. You guys can see that that was I actually called that move out on Instagram. Okay, let me see if I could actually get that story there as well. I believe I did call it out. Oh yeah, I did. Right there. I believe I did. Let's check it out. So if I go forward, and this is all I have it all on my stories there. When I actually passed the verification process, it's in there. Afterwards, I got it live, and this is where I was looking, as you guys can see. That's where I took my buys. Okay, around this area in here. This is where I took my buys. And you guys can see I just placed my TP for 11,290, which is just above these highs in here. And I'm just calling out that we should start heading up from there. Okay. And as you guys can see on the next story, well, we were heading up there really, really quick. On the live account I just showed you. And on the next story, that's just me showing you guys that we're about to hit TP right above these highs in here. I mean, this is a lower time frame, a 5-minute time frame. I like that Mario Bros music. Yeah, above these equal highs up here, hit TP, $1,700 profit, and afterwards we just tanked down, exactly knowing where to set our take profit levels. But yep, that's the review for today, guys. As I mentioned, there's not going to be a weekly analysis since we did not reach the likes and comments, but hopefully we can reach those likes and those comments. Okay, all I'm asking for is 10 likes and 5 comments. You guys can comment by saying whether if you guys would like to have a live session or live sessions every week, or just one weekly analysis video each week, each start of the week, right? So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed and you're new to this channel, and feel free to explore the rest of my content, which is mostly analysis. There's really not much educational things, but I will start posting educational videos once I reach my 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which is one of the goals I have for this channel. So with that said, I hope you guys have a very nice day and a very nice rest of your trading week. Hopefully, I will see you guys again by Monday or Sunday next week. Okay, so you guys take care and have a wonderful day.